सो गाइस अभी मैं हूँ XUV700 का पुणे का फर्स्ट ऑल व्हील ड्राइव व्हीकल. ओके, दिस इज X7 टॉपेस्ट मॉडल. Oh my goodness, that's good. Now let me switch on the 4x4. Okay. वाह, 4x4 का ये है कि आपका ये टायर पीछे का ब्रेक लगाने के बाद भी आपको लगेगा कि पीछे भी डायरेक्टली पावर मिल रहा है. सो ये 4x4 का सिग्निफिकेंस है. ओके, जैसे अगर मैं टायर देखूं तो इसमें अगर मैं ब्रेक मारूं तो स्टिल ऐसा लग रहा है पीछे वाले इंजन को पावर दे रहा है. प्लीज़ कम विथ मी, इट इज़ फन टू ड्राइव. सीरियसली मैंने क्या किया है, दोनों मिरर को टायर की ओर फोकस किया है एंड आई एम जस्ट वॉचिंग द परफॉर्मेंस जैसा, बिकॉज वेन एवर वी आर इंगेजिंग द ब्रेक ना, दैट इटसेल्फ इज जो खींचता जाता है वो पता चल जाता है. यस या प्लीज़. हाय, दिस इज राम प्रवेश और आज हमारे साथ दक्ष जी हैं. वी गॉट टू नो ईच अदर फ्रॉम यूट्यूब इटसेल्फ. So welcome to our channel, sir.
Thank you, Ram. Glad to be a subscriber and really like your content.
Thank you very much, sir. It's our pleasure. So basically, we are here into Pune ka first 4x4 X7 model, toppest, the model, and he is going to be the first, owner of this 4x4 in Pune region. I feel glad to be part of कि मैं I have been called by him. So thank you very much for this, sir.
That is all mine.
Now let me show you the vehicle first. Now first we'll check the feature.
Yeah, such people, nobody gets anything.
यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे, सो दिस इज द 4x4 बटन. So we have to, you can see the signal is like, front wheel is driven, then there is axle, and in back end also you can see the axle is connected to the tire. So इसका मतलब ये है कि इसको जैसे whenever you engage ना, दोनों टायर चारों टायर को पावर दिया जाता है. सो मोस्टली फ्रंट को रहता है. अदरवाइज विजिबिलिटी वाइज देयर इज नो मच डिफरेंस, बट यस डेफिनेटली कंट्रोल और इन सब में जो है, सो दैट इज अवे अहेड.
Correct.
And other thing,
The power itself in Zap, it's so much and better coverage.
Yeah. We can control the car, the way we want. क्या
What was that sound? अभी जो आया था?
Which
What
one?
was the sound, right? When you see this again sound.
Okay, this is just brake sound. This is a new vehicle, no? So once
So
you
my
rotate,
earlier vehicles never made such sounds. See this one.
this one, ना?
Yeah.
वाइडिंग का ये सभी में आया.
Yeah.
See, this is the gold version. There is nothing in gold actually, by the way. Only gold handles and gold.
No,
this thing.
I saw the car
Yeah.
also, but I didn't like the drivability.
See,
So you might just have to take a turn from here.
So what I am seeing here ना, in the mirror I have seen, I am seeing जैसे Thar 4x4 का वो है ना, here what I can see कि नहीं, चारों चक्के में पावर. देखिए मैं ब्रेक अप्लाई किया, still giving power.
अच्छा, still giving power.
हाँ, उसमें मिरर में देखिए. Can you see that? ये देखिए, अब मैं ये देखिए पावर देगा ना. So that's the beauty actually, the have a drip here, then actual potential would come.
What's the sound?
Wow.
साला गर्दा उड़ा दिए.
Yes. That's the.
अरे गर्दा उड़ा दिए.
Wow.
But it is good. Can you check all the systems if it is
Yeah.
working, not working?
Yeah, I can.
Features. But
Now I will
Do an
alternate this way. This signal is basically of the control is awesome. Wow. Straight.
better control than the
Better.
normal
Yeah.
wheel drive?
Yeah, better. Of course, better control. I can see the, it's like 50% steering is turned now. So that's really is fun to drive.
I can but feel a bit of a body roll now.
Yeah. There is no body roll.
I can feel a bit. Because you're turning your radiuses
You can see.
too much.
I am making complete roll now. It's full circle. Wow. Now
बेटा गर्दा उड़ा दिया
we need to do one more. Yes.
Good braking, I would say. How many roads did you take?
Wow.
Better than that?
So, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Yes. Have you seen that? A curve लेके बिल्कुल सीधा तो that shows the control. Yes. सीधा चलने में क्या कंट्रोल पता चलेगा but in that sudden change and straight. अगर मैं इस पे काम करता हूँ now what I will do, I will repeat the same process without all wheel. So this I have pressed now.
You've got it off.
Yes, this is off now. No? Only improvement I could see is that somewhere it should show that all-wheel drive is engaged or disengaged.
It should actually. You have to do a little bit of research.
So I am running now without all-wheel. Yes. आप वो देखेंगे ना पीछे तो आपको दिखेगा कि वो now it is driven by actually rolling over the tire. लेकिन जैसे ये हाँ अभी थोड़ी सी फंसी थी ना तो दैट्स ड्यू टू टू व्हील ड्राइव. और अगर मैं सेम चीज़ें करूँ नाउ लेट मी चेक वन मोर टेस्ट केस. चलते में मैं वाइल ड्राइविंग आई एम स्विचिंग ऑन द फोर व्हील. Wow. Good. By the way, he should not answer and why he is going to get the money.
Nobody will be there now, don't worry.
We have just driven in the kind of drifting. So with four-wheel drive engaged and without engaged.
Correct.
In both way we could see the clear difference.
Correct.
In terms of control. So this is definitely